project. And CNC Alliance is a project that is being designed and built by a group of companies. The idea of it is that you bring these people or these organisations together to construct something that's got some unique features about it, where there needs to be a little bit of nimbleness and a bit of collaboration working together to get the best outcome for the stakeholder at the end of the day and for the owners of the project. So Cirtex have been a huge help to us on this job. As part of the design and build process, we start the project with a partially completed design. We had certain design criteria that had to be met, and we were able to sit down and talk with Cirtex and really work out what was the best product for the design needs. They really optimised those needs of ours and really added value in that space.
There's around 160,000 square metres of the high-strength woven geotextile being used on the project. There's also woven geotextiles being used for embankment stability, both in the construction case and also the seismic case for embankment stability. Traditionally, high-strength woven is ordered in standard roll lengths. This results in a high percentage of wastage as you cut standard roll lengths to suit the embankment widths on site. Cirtex assisted the project and came up with unique identifiers for each one of the rolls, and those rolls were labelled with specific barcodes and references which correlated back to the plans we developed. What we came up with Cirtex through the tender process is they were able to stitch the designed lap lines into the rolls. So from a design quality perspective, the designers were able to come out to site and they were able to assure that we're meeting the design specification. And we estimate we saved, through working through a waste minimisation process, between $50,000 and $100,000 across the whole Basel order for the project. We're able to utilise a really positive, constructive working relationship with Cirtex.
For us on this project, the overall outcome is time savings, which ultimately translates into cost, but I think as well just the willingness and the desire to actually sit down and work with our team, really personable, approachable people. For me, that's what I really appreciate, is the fact you can have an honest conversation. I think the strengths in my mind, multiple. Undoubtedly, first up is people. They're there to listen to you and go away and work on a solution. They listened to what we actually needed and how we were going to go about building the job, and did their best to accommodate that.